Hello, my name is Shay Walton. I'm from the Spanish 2 class, which is taught by Dr. Blair. Today, I'll be teaching you a little bit about present progressive. The present progressive is formed by combining the verb to be with the present participle. The present participle, is merely the ing form of the verb. For example, I am a student. I am studying. I am studying, and I am studying with Sashane. In English, present progressive can be used to describe what is happening now or what will happen in the future. I am studying now. I am studying with Sashane tonight. In Spanish, the present progressive is only used to describe an action that is in the process of taking place. It is not used for the future actions. For example, I am studying now, where that a while ago I used the present progressive. I am studying with Sashane tonight. I did not use the present or the present progressive. To form the present progressive, one should normally combine a form of estar with the present participle. For example, estoy hablando, which means I am speaking. Sashane está comiendo, which is Sashane is eating. Maria or Sashane está escribiendo una carta. Sashane is writing a letter. And in order to form the present progressive, you must know how to conjugate the verb estar and how to form the present participle. I already told you how to conjugate the verb estar, where estar would be turned to estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, and están. To form the present participle of regular AR verbs and to the stem of the verb, like hablar, hablando, hablar, minus the AR, where you added the A and the O. For like trabajar, to trabajando, you take away the AR and you add the A and the O. For another one, such as estudiar, you take away the AR and you add the A and the O. To form the present participle of regular ER and IR verbs, add the INDO to the stem of the verb. For example, comer, it will be changed to comiendo. So comer, you would take away the ER and you would add the iendo, which is IENDO. For hacer, you will go to haciendo, where you have hacer, you take away the ER and you add the INDO. For another verb like beber, which will be turned to bebiendo. So beber, you take away the IR and you add the iendo. For another one, like escribir, you say escribiendo. And for escribir, you would again take away the IR and you add the iendo, which is iendo. Normally, when you want to form the present participle of the IR stem chain verbs, you change the EI and the OU in the stem and then add the IENDO to the stem of the verb. So like severe, you would say severe, not severe, sorry. You would say serbiendo. Like pedir, you would say pediendo. Another one such as decir, you would say diciendo. I remind you that I'm adding the IENDO. Another one you'd have dormir. You would say dormiendo. Morir, you would say moriendo. And another one like poder, you would say pudiendo. Yes, pudiendo. Sometimes when forming the present participle, it is always important to like change the spelling of the word so that it agrees with the way it is pronounced. Like when I researched, they said it is called orthographic change, and I will give you some examples. For like career, which is spelled CAER, you would put it to cayendo. Another word such as like career, as in CREER, you would change it to criendo, and the list goes on. I hope that you learned a little bit about present progressive so that you can use it in your future vocabulary. Thank you. Have a nice life.